Alright, ready and go. If this loads. Oh boy. Building train, come on. Now the Christina green's finished. Mostly. Well, it doesn't look nearly as bad as last time you saw it. So I'll be brief. So, yeah. Need a second. This makes it easier. Okay. The Christina Green is a Nemesis-class aircraft carrier. Designed and built by Marcus Medford. Well, it's built. Anyway. We'll go to the interior later, but these are the bow thrusters. This is how she turns. Azurite in place of Guardium. Magically infused titanium. At the back of the ship, the stern, landing strip. These turrets are the same as her cousin's ship, helipad. Anyway, original topic. Her cousin's ship is the EFN Gato, or in this case, EF01. In this case, EF01. She was built later. The Christina Green was built later on. Conning tower, elevator. Ready to get in. It's really a superstructure. But yeah. Come on, resume. Lots of lighting. Compass is pointing towards her crystal core, which allows her to hop worlds. Staircases. Rooms for the crew. Get how long the ship is at times. The mess. Well, part of the mess area. Locker room for the crews. Well, was. I accidentally killed the armor stands. Sick bay. Not much there. Get to the upper quadrants later. More. This is for the search and rescue teams. Search and rescue teams. Each turret is powerful. And for defense as well. This is the actual mess hall. As you can see, it's huge. Heading back down. Into the kitchen. Got some barrels and sinks. Smokers. Some looms. I got no clue why I put them there. Some furnaces. A library for enchanting. Essentially a study. Now I move down. Make things interesting. Now, if you haven't figured out how I pulled off this wire trick, barrier blocks. This is hold number 1 of the ship. Here's the sapphire crystal that powers it. It's also connects to hold number 2. This is the aircraft generator, which powers all of these lights and creates any aircraft needed for the battle at hand. Shield generator, there's copper in there. Don't believe me? I'll show you. See, copper. This is the invisibility generator. Has that as hold free, but we don't talk about it. It's mysterious. Crews don't like to talk about it. See, there's just a sign there. Now we move on to hold number 4, where the bow thrusters are located. Well, if I can get out of here. Yeah, that's the bow thrusters. They're showing you the lower parts. Now you're probably asking, what about the bow? What about the upper sections? I'll get there. Give me a chance. Actually, I'll save time. Now, as we use turrets, you can go in them. They're pretty much hollow. I'll save some time here. Now, heading up, this is the navigation quarters as well as just a relaxation area. Here you can see the entire ship on a map scale. It looks like a black pencil, if I'm being honest. A long black pencil with lines on it. Oh look, there's a Gasbuster Arena. And a dragon skin rug. Going up. Now here we get to the turret controls. The swords move the turrets. The buttons fire. And the under eye... In the eye of Enders is how the gunners see. Here we are at the bridge. Must I sleep right now? Haven't actually labeled which one is deputy captain's. Which one is captain's. Either way. Radar. Binoculars. See out of. Not much to see, really. Exterior cameras help the crew to see ahead. And here's where the helmsman sits. Make the ship go forward and back. Down below is mainly just maintenance. This goes to port, to starboard or port. Yeah. There's the other room as well. Over here. It's not really furbished much. But yeah. This has been the Eclipse Wolf, signing off.